Welcome back to Kev's Kitchen. And right now, I'm going to do chicken shababs. That's right. So now, I'm going to set the broiler and boom. The broiler is set. I'm going to let the broiler get cooked up, get going. It's probably shocked because it hasn't been used like in years. So the broiler's going to get a chance to get warmed up. Then we're going to go in with the chicken shababs, and then I'll let you know how they turn out. All right. Yep, broiler's cooking up. Should let the broiler get going for about a good, I don't know, give it about 3-4 minutes to get warmed up. Hopefully I don't got to go under there and set a pilot light or something. Welcome back to Kev's Kitchen. Whew. I don't know how people do this for a living. Alright. There it is. Fully done. Chicken kebab. I should have used aluminum foil if I had any. I gotta get an oven mitt. Burnt my finger. Feel like my old finger coming out. Look at that. See, it's glowing right where the burn is. Look at that. Why would you see it glowing at? That's where I got burnt. Oh man. This stuff is hard work. I don't know how women do this. Now I'm thinking about getting married.